Hello, my amazing and lovely foodie members right here. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you the crispiest and perfect fried fish ever that you can find on the street. All you have to do right now is to relax yourself and you would definitely love this. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now let's get started. So today I'll be frying both red snapper and mackerel fish, one of my favorite fish. You can choose to fry any fish that you want. Okay, so for the red fish, the market woman has already removed any unwanted parts from the red fish, but trust me, it wasn't the best. As you can see, I have some scales on it which I'm trying to remove as well. So if you buy any fish that has already been cleaned from outside, trust me, make sure to clean it for the second time to get the best results. Okay, because trust me, these market women are always in a hurry to do something else, so you have to take your time to clean it afterwards when you return home. Now the red fish is nice and well clean. I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to clean the mackerel fish as well. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. If you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing fried fish recipe as well. Thank you so much. Now, after cleaning it very nicely, I'm going to cut it according to the size that I'm looking for. I'm going to be using this fish for another recipe, so I just want you to guess the recipe in the comment section, and I will be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much. Whilst we done cutting everything that we don't need from the fish, let's sprinkle or spray a little bit of vinegar water on the fish. Mind you, I have diluted the vinegar with a little bit of water, so it's not that strong. If you want to use lime, that's just fine, okay? Or you can also use salt as well. Now I'm going to leave this to rest in the vinegar water for about 10 minutes, and afterwards I'm going to go in with water to clean off anything from the fish. I've already cleaned the fish for about 2 to 3 times off camera already. Okay, so let's clean it for the last time, and once that is done, we're going to proceed to the next stage. So we are back. The fish is looking super clean and perfect, so I'm going to season the fish with some fish seasoning powder, garlic, ginger and onion powder, and a little bit of salt to taste. Kindly adjust everything to your taste. Okay, let's massage all the seasonings to the fish very well, and once that is done, I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for approximately 30 to 1 hour to marinate very well. Alright, so now the fish is out from the fridge after 1 hour, so we're going to start by frying the fish right away. But before that, let's heat up our cooking oil, and we're going to also coat the fish with some all-purpose flour. If you don't want it, you can omit it totally and fry your fish right away. So now we're going to coat our fish with some all-purpose flour, as I said, until everything is nice and well coated. This will ensure a very crispy fried fish ever. Trust me on this one. Whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still done that yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. As you can see, the oil is super hot and that's just perfect. Always make sure to make your oil very hot before you go in with your fish. Now let's fry on high heat for approximately 10 minutes until it's nice and perfect. As always, if you want your fish to really turn out really good, always keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. Alright, so now we've been frying the fish for about 10 minutes now, and this is the outcome. It's looking super good and very crispy, as you can see. Now all that is left is for us to remove this from the oil, and we're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Do you see that crispiness on it, and also how beautiful and inviting it turned out? It turned out just perfect. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this crispy fried fish recipe. One of the best fried fish recipe that you can think of. Now let's fry the second batch, which is the fish head, also until it turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Alright, so this is the outcome after frying everything. It turned out really good and just crispy as well. All that is left right now is to enjoy this fried fish with anything that you want to enjoy with it. You can enjoy this fried fish with some kinky, rice, and PC. Just name it. As I said, I'm going to be using this fried fish for another recipe coming very soon. So do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new video like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.